Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and click on agree and continue. Then you can close this ad and click on allow and click consent. Now you can click on this button to start VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in United States. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.